good morning. Good morning to all of you. Now I will take your English class and today I will take grammar. Okay. I will start a new chapter today. All of you open page number 29 of your grammar book. Page number 29 and the name of the chapter I, you, he, she, it. I, you, he, she, it. Okay. Yes, good morning. All of you switch off the cameras, all of you. Then you can see me clearly. All of you switch off your cameras. Who are not able to see me, cut the call and then rejoin. Okay. Aritro, cut the call and rejoin. And all of you switch off the cameras. Then you can see me clearly. Okay, so today I will start I, you, he, she, it. First, let's understand the chapter. What is I and what is you? Let's take some examples. If I take the example like I am Sucharita, then by the word I am denoting myself, isn't it? So by the word I am Sucharita. By the word I am denoting myself, my name and myself. Clear? And if I use you, by the word you, I am denoting the other person who is standing against me. Just opposite me who is standing, then I will use you. By the word you, I am telling you about the other person who is standing just in front of me. Okay. So, by the word I am denoting myself, and by the word you, I am denoting the other person. Okay, clear? And I and you can be a boy or a girl. It can be of any gender. It can be of any gender. It can be a boy or a girl, a man, a woman. Okay, okay, Smita. So, I and you can be a man. Like here, I is Sucharita and you is, I have written a name of a boy. So, I and you can be a girl or a boy, a man or a woman. Remember this point. Keep in mind this point, what I am writing. I and you can be a boy, a girl, a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. So, a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. It can be of any gender. Okay, clear? I and you clear? Now come to the next one. I am erasing the board. Now, he. If I write, he is Mr. Kumar, the word he, by the word he, it denotes a male person. Mr. Kumar, the name of the male person is Mr. Kumar. So, instead of writing the names Mr. Kumar again and again, we will write he. Clear? We will write he. So, he is used to denote, he is used to denote a male person. Parvez, switch off the camera. Arunabha also switch off the camera. Okay, so he is used to denote a male person, and instead of using the names, instead of writing the names again and again, we will write he. And we can also give some more information about him. Like we can write, he teaches us science. Clear? Like we can write, he teaches us science. I am writing more information about the person. Who is he? So, by the word he, it denotes who? A male person, a boy or a man. He denotes here a boy or a man. Clear? A boy or a man. Clear? Now I am erasing the board. Let's take some another examples. Now we will learn about she. Here, by the word she, we can understand it's saying about a female person. By the word she, it is saying about a female person, and her name is Miss Sharma, or any names it can be. So, instead of using the names which denotes a female person, we will write she. Clear? So, instead of writing the names again and again which shows a female person, we will use she. So, she denotes a female person, and we can also write some more information about her. Like if I write, she teaches us English. So, am not writing Miss Sharma again. Instead of the name, I am writing she. Instead of writing the name again, I am writing she. And that's why by the word she, I am denoting it is a female. Okay? So, she denotes only female, a girl or a woman. A girl. Clear? Adrija, I have just written according to my examples, dear. Yes, your book it is written Mr. Sharma. Yes, it is. But I have written Miss Sharma. I have just taken according to me some examples, not from your book, but from myself. Okay. So, she here, Sharma is a title. Here Sharma is only a title. And by the word Miss, I am making you understand that she is a female. Okay. So, she is Miss Sharma and she denotes a girl or a woman. Clear? I am erasing the word. Now, let's learn where we can use it. Let's learn where we can use it. It can be used with a non-living things. It can be used with non-living thing. Like if I say, it is my pen. So here, pen is a non-living thing, isn't it? Here pen is a non-living thing. So, we will use it with non-living things. Clear? Like, it is my book. That book is also a non-living thing. That's why we will write it. And it also can be used with some animals or bird that does not have any specific or special names. Clear? Yes. So, it will be used with non-living things and with some animals or birds that does not have any special names. So, where we can use with? It with non-living things non-living things, animals and birds, when they do not have a special name. Clear? So, now here we can use it. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Now let's do some exercises from here. Turn to the next page, page number 30. Turn to the next page, page number 30, and let's do some exercises. All of you turn to page number 30. Here we need to fill in the blanks with I, you, he, she or it. Here we need to fill in the blanks with I, you, he, she or. Write in your book. You can write it in your book, okay? Write in your book. The first one is a doctor. Dash am a doctor. Yes, so it will take I. Yes, Kaustav, Shurya, Shaptarshi, Arithro, Niladri, Devan, good. So it will take I. Very good, all of you. Sir, listen. Yes, Adrija, very good. Shovik, Devayon, good. All of you are correct. Very good. Number 2. Let's see. Yes, Kaustav, Shovik, Niladri, Sheikh, Adrija, Shuraya, Mohian, Arithro, very good. So it will take you. You are a good dancer. Yes, Adrija. Yes, good. Number 3. Dash is my friend Gaurav. Gaurav is the name of a male person. Yes, so it will he. Yes, all of you are correct. Very good. We'll take he. He is my friend Gaurav. He is my friend Gaurav. Yes. So today I have done these 3 and the rest ones. If you can do this at your home, and in next class I will discuss all of these. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you study well at your home. Be safe. Bye. Have a nice day.